Hello, if you are a business owner or an entrepreneur, a job seeker, or a student who wants to acquire skill, or you have interest in learning high tech skills, stop scrolling and listen. I have something for you. I want to reveal a secret to you that can help you in your journey of business or career, or help you as someone who is interested in learning skills, especially tech skills, either for you using it to make money or for you using it as to progress in your career. Do you know you can actually use AI to build dynamic web applications? I am sure you may have heard about it, but you think it's something that is very difficult you cannot do. No, in today's world, AI is ruling all the sectors of the economy, including in tech learning. Today, as a software developer, I can actually use AI to develop web applications within minutes, something that I used to do within 3 months, 6 months. I can now do it within minutes, highest 1 hour. Are you getting me? That's to show the power of AI. I'm going to tell you today, so many businesses, so many people have been spending thousands and millions of money building web application, hiring experts, of course, which I'm among. And I have been doing this for people, but today I want to reveal a secret to help somebody out there or to help some businesses that have collapsed due to high expenses. You see, using AI is something that have been beneficial to so many businesses and industries. And as of today, AI have helped web developers to scale through in so many obstacles. As you can see, this web application here was built using AI entirely. It is very dynamic. As you can see, if you hover over the products, you see the interactiveness showing there have been inbuilt codes using AI that made it so. As you can see, the live streaming of tests that is going on, you can see the product is showing how many remaining in the store according to the inventory management. It's showing the prices, it's showing the share button, the like button, as you can see, then the cart, as you can see, as you are buying is adding up, just like normal e-commerce website, okay, until you check out. You also view the product descriptions. All the products have their descriptions and directive on how to use them, okay. You go further, you view them, as you can see, you close them up. After reading about the products, everything is well organized and dynamic. Okay, this was built entirely using AI. As you can see, the menu bar, the category of the product by the left hand side, you can see the footer, everything well organized, and this web application also tracks the browsing history of customers, which gives you some recommendations. Okay, gives you some recommendations based on your browsing history. Okay, so as you can see, this is a well developed web application that you as a person you can as well do for your business or for a client. Okay, now not only that this is a web application, an online store, it also has integrated WhatsApp button, which if any customer clicks, it takes you to WhatsApp messages where you now interact with the customers more. Then after which you want to check out, you click on your cart button, it brings you to the product you have purchased, you put in your name, put in your email address, put in your phone number, put in your delivery address, boom, you click proceed to payment. Once you proceed to payment, it brings you to the interface where you now process your payment using any payment gateway of your choice. Okay? As you can see, everything is well organized using AI. This you can learn within 3 days. Then, within 1 week, you must have done your practical and develop your web applications. Everything we are doing is practical, everything hand on desk. You learn one on one. After the group lectures in 3 days, you must have learned everything you want to learn. Then we begin one on one interaction. Okay, that is how we run our things. So, with just 15,000 naira, you learn this skills. This is not the only application that we have here. As you can see, this is a transport and logistics company, a shipping company. I will build also very interactive, very interactive. Okay, you learn how to do all these things by yourself. This is also another web application built for customer. You want to enroll, you put your full name, put your name, whatever is your name, put your email address, you you pay for the products, it takes you to where you're going to pay, where you make the payment, boom. You see, this interface of the payment as integrated. If you want to use card, you use card, you authenticate, you make your payment, boom, your payment is successful. As you can see, everything is inbuilt. You can do this by yourself, you can do this for your client to make money, whichever way. So the sweeter part of this is that after developing your web applications, the hosting is free. You host the website for free. So there's no panic whether after building your website, how you're going to host it, monthly subscription. No, 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 no. You're going to host these web applications for free. And not only that, you're going to host it for free, you're going to it is very secure. You can customize it in any way you want. Can customize it to any idea you have in mind, according to your company demand, according to your client demand. Then you can as well integrate a custom domain to it. As you can see, this particular one is custom domain swiftchippingglobal.com, and is very secure. As you can see, connection is very secure. There's no panic for anything, and it is hosted on free application website. So as you can see, everything is well dynamic and secure and planned. So with just 15,000 naira, you learn these skills and you start making money immediately, or start building your own website for your business immediately. Our first lecture teaches you basic foundations, and in that basic foundations, in 2 days, you have built your own web application, and boom, you either use to make money, or build for others, or build an e-commerce for yourself and start selling products online. Thank you. See you there.